Sam drove through the coke field again.
I did. I can't help it.
Hey, say your name and what you drive.
My name is Lynn. I drive the 93 Integra, 2015.
And award-winning 93.
World famous. You were taking the Integra here.
Hey, say your name and what you drive.
My name is Sam. I
He
drive
just died.
a dark gray metallic WX.
Oh, how many decibels?
And it's only 85.
Huh? 185? Holy shit, that must be a helicopter. What's up? My name is Zanel, and this is what I drive. This beast right here. Shoo. And that's Daniel's. This is Alan's. And Lynn's. And Sam's all the way over there. What's that?
Solving fucking problems, that's what it is. His battery's too high up, so it'll short on the hood.
Yeah, so I had Andre welded a new battery tray, but now it sits up higher.
Damn you, Andre.
Yeah, so I had to take this cover off so this thing doesn't spark the whole car.
Andre, if you're watching,
Say it.
damn you.
I mean,
Fixed.
you might as well show the battery tray. You did a pretty good job rolling it up.
I'm leaving that there.
Yeah, no more hole.
There's a hole in it?
There was a hole in there. And water would get in all over the inside of the car.
So drive a...
Hi, I'm Daniel. I drive a 93 Suzuki Cappuccino, a 92 Suzuki Cappuccino, a 1970 Honda N600, a 2005 Volvo XC70, which is my favorite one, and a 2004 Volvo C30.
Whoa, that's a good one. That's good. That's good. What are we doing today?
So, I took this grill from this car, and he got a new grill. Let's show it out first. So this is a 240Z grill, meaning there's no turn signals here. So he's gonna do the 240Z front end, and I think you guys will like what he has. But we'll show that later. For now, we're gonna get this thing on. Oh.
Uh-oh. You're gonna hit it and it's gonna fall off.
Yeah, we gotta get this thing on all the way. And then, yeah, I want to do mine too.
Don't worry, we'll edit that later. We never edit it.
And also, I want to like paint this whole inside black so it's not red, stupid looking. Yeah,
Don't call your car stupid.
that's gonna look so much better. So basically, we need to pull this thing back like that, so that we can open the hood. Show the bottom, nice. Yeah, it's gonna make like a little bracket for here to here.
Okay.
But I need to pull back kind of like that.
Okay.
So I think like this and then a 90 degree would be perfect.
Couldn't sell your car? What?
Couldn't sell your car?
He said he'd let me know.
How many times have you heard that?
A lot. It's so fucking hard to sell the thing.
Anybody want to buy a 93 cap?
It's for sale. For Sale.
One-time payment of
8,000.
Dude, that's it right there. Perfect.
It's like Bob Vila's Home Improvement.
So this thing is gonna go in this bolt right there, and then we push this thing forward, and then it lines up perfectly right there. Dang, master fabricator here.
Ooh.
Okay, so I got a cut right there.
Hey Alan, how about you use that piece of wood right there?
Yeah, or a piece of wood.
Be safe. I thought you were safety.
Alright, YouTube. Here's a safety tip from Daniel. Don't be stupid.
Make it a little short, like a little.
I don't know if that's a safety tip, bro.
Heck yeah, it is.
Make that a little short too.
See?
Wow.
Wow! Your hand's still intact.
Yeah, it's hot, bro.
I was gonna say, yeah, your hand's still intact. That didn't work.
Genius.
Oh, I thought you were gonna make the same mistake and just crap.
You gotta cut the piece now?
Yep, now I just gotta cut it right there. And then that's one bracket. I just gotta cut somewhere in there.
Okay.
Do we have to run to the store to get another one? That is why.
So just somewhere around here.
Which way is that spinning?
That way.
Okay, cool. Just wanted to make sure it wasn't going in my face.
So we're done with this today, waiting on more parts, and we're gonna work on this one. Do you like to explain what you're doing, Alan?
So we finished up that grill, and now we're gonna work on my grill. So I'm gonna take all the stuff off, like the turn signals, the grill, and then I want to paint the inside black first before I put that thing on. So right now I'm just taking this out, and hopefully nothing breaks. Hopefully nothing strips. This is already stripped. Great. Oh man, what is he laughing at?
Our editing department is full of monkeys.
As you can see down there. Okay. Don't mind Sam. Sam's playing Apex right now. Those two are editing. And that's it.
Had to cut 2 bolts out. Here, so check out this grill. So this is the skillet grill for the 280Z, meaning it has the space for the turn signals, and it's basically double the size. So this thing will take up the whole space in here. Yeah, something like that. Alright, grill is out, bumper is out, and now we're gonna paint the inside here. Get rid of this red stuff, rust, you know, looks ugly. And yeah, I'm not even gonna prep it up too much because eventually I will be pulling this engine out. All the stuff's gonna be taken apart. So I don't care too much, honestly. I just want it black for now. So there you go. This inside's all painted, nice and black. What do you think?
Looks nice.
So much better than that red stuff, huh?
The original paint of the car.
Yeah. Alright, let's peel this thing out. Alright, now the grill is ready to go on. It's hard to talk.
Alright. Finished it up. Looking a lot better.
So much better.
Just in time too, because it's pouring rain right now.
My pants are soaking wet.
The back is wet.
Okay, so this is what a 280Z front end looks like. You can see the turn signals are up front here, in the middle. And I got the skillet grill which deletes that. So you see there's no turn signal up here. The turn signal actually mounts onto the air dam, like that. Trying to see if we can get this to work. I didn't cut anything yet. I'm trying to avoid that. So it looks like the first thing we ran into was the lower portion of the OEM grill was contacting the air dam. So I'm going to take this off and try it again. See how it goes. But I actually already like this grill way better. Oh man. plan has failed.
We're gonna have to cut this lower part out.
Yeah.
Like just this one row right here. Because this part like touches it and it doesn't go up all the way.
Yeah, you can't have it sit in the correct location. There's like an inch gap between here and here, or between the air dam and.
So we're gonna take this thing off.
You take off the grill. We're gonna cut off this one row, and we should be good. It's like the same car but different. Pretty cool. What do you think?
Yeah, it's alright.
It's alright. Okay. So this is a 240 grill from Skillard. Deletes that turn signal thing where the 280Z would have it. And this is a 240Z air dam from Retrospec. And then you just smash it all together pretty much. And then all we gotta do now is wire up the turn signals. So this is a 280Z turn signal. And it doesn't use the same plug as this. Well, the plug on the car is actually different, so just gotta figure it out.
Yeah, and also you can't switch these things over because this is a twist-on style. This is the 240Z, and this is the 280, which screws in. That's
what I thought, man. I was gonna just switch these over and be done with it, but I found out you have to get this one.
Yeah.
I was like, another part I have to get.
Yeah, and that delayed us by like a week.
Yeah. Anyways, we're here.
Yeah.
We're here now, so almost done. Man, I should get clear edges, huh?
Yes. I thought that's what you got.
There was the option, and I didn't go for it.
When it showed up in Amber, I was like, man, you really bought that? Whatever.
It's still cool.
Maybe I'll keep those lenses into a 240Z front end myself.
Whoa, dang. Alright, so the front end is completely put back together. The lights work. Everything's bolted on. I'll show you the lights work. All we have to do is splice it in to the body harness and kind of figure out which one goes what. Pretty simple. It's only 3 wires.
I helped.
Ellen did good today.
Ooh.
There's the riding cleats.
Is that a Z with working turn signals?
The Z with working turn signals? It's kind of crazy, right? If you go over there, you can see what a 280Z front end looks like. And Alan will explain.
Here, follow me. So this is a 280Z front end, and the turn signals are up here, whereas the 240Z is like down in this corner here.
I like how the grill is cleaner on the 240s.
Yeah, because this kind of just like ends right here.
Yeah.
Doesn't look all that clean, but whatever, it works.
Okay, so to do this front end conversion, you need the grill, which is available from Skillard.com. You need the air dam. This is just a Type 1 air dam. The 240Z air dams will have a cutout for turn signals, and of course you'll need the turn signals and the harness. And that's all you need for the front end conversion. I didn't cut anything besides the grill. The grill was a little bit too long, so we cut off the bottom row here.
Yeah, we just cut one
Yeah,
row.
that's all we cut off. We did it with a Dremel too. And yeah, but that's basically it. I like how this looks. I just need the clear lenses. I should have got that from the beginning. I don't know why I did that. But pretty simple conversion.
That's a lot of carbon fiber on here. Have you shown him the taillight thing yet?
Oh, I haven't shown him that. Let's show him that.
More carbon vents.
The taillight panel is carbon fiber. Because my old one was cracked and kind of ugly looking. And you can't really find replacements for them. So I just went ahead and got these. My spoiler still hasn't shown up yet. So this was never even painted. I got it out of the box like this and slapped it on, but I'm waiting for the carbon fiber one. And are you gonna take that one, my old one? Are you gonna use my old part again?
I don't know, because that's a lot of commitment there. You gotta like drill into the body.
You gotta drill 2 holes, man.
Yeah.
That's a lot of commitment.
This car is too
Sure.
clean for that. I don't know. Maybe you guys put it down in the comments. Should I put a spoiler in this car or not?
There, let Alan know. Should Alan put the spoiler on his Z or not? Bye.
Bye.